wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi kids, from A to Z, from East to West, I'm Hannah, and welcome back to Dream Again. Kids, today's part 2 of our birthday party for Noah and Olivia. And you know what usually the birthday kid gets to wear? A birthday hat! Yeah! Well, I know exactly who can help us out on that one. We'll check in with Noah and Olivia because they will show us how to create one.
We're back in our arts and crafts studios, and it looks like, Olivia, you have something up your sleeve, some kind of surprise that we're doing. I see some googly eyes, I see some construction paper, I see some fluffy puffs, and I see some feathers.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
We are doing happy birthday hats.
Happy birthday, hats!
Yeah, happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, dear kids!
Happy birthday, dear kids!
Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you!
That's awesome!
That is awesome.
Yeah.
So we're going to do hats out of construction paper?
Yeah, so you know how on your birthday sometimes they give you guys the really tall cone hats?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, those are really, really easy to make.
Oh,
So,
really?
yeah, so we're going to make one instead of buying one. So can I show you?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So, if you just take this paper
Okay.
and you roll it up, look, it's a cone.
Wow.
Yeah, and then you glue the back. So, oh, Noah, could you please help me by grabbing that glue stick?
Of course I can.
Okay, and now this part that I'm holding in the back, can you glue that together, please?
Elmer Glue to the rescue!
Yay! And so this part in the back.
Okay.
Thanks.
We'll have to hold it down and probably let it dry before we can continue using it.
I think ours is probably pretty good now.
Okay.
Yeah? Okay. So once you have that done, then then you have your hat and Noah, remember online how you saw that funny bird?
Oh, yeah, the angry bird.
Yeah, the angry bird.
Yeah.
So we have eyebrows.
Yeah, I pre-cut them already. So we're going to stick them on there.
Yeah.
And then you have the beak.
We have a beak that Noah made too,
Yeah.
and we're gonna stick that on underneath the eyebrows a little bit.
And then we have googly
Yeah,
eyes.
so we're gonna make an angry bird one.
Yep.
Ooh, and then we also have all these puffballs and feathers, so you can kind of glue or draw anything on it.
Yep.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Great. All right, so should we use the Elmer's glue and get this together?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'm going to glue all the pieces together
Okay.
now. Okay, I think it looks
Awesome.
pretty good, doesn't it?
Yeah. Can you turn it around so the kids can see it?
Ta-da!
Wow, that looks so good.
It does,
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah, it looks just like the angry bird one we saw online.
Yeah, and
That's
it's
wonderful.
a birthday hat.
Yeah, and look how simple it was, kids. It was red construction paper, a little small piece of black paper,
Yep.
and
A
then
beak.
a little beak.
You use
and
the
two
black
eyes.
pen just to make it look like a beak, and then some 2 googly eyes.
Yeah, and we have the googly eyes, but you could also draw eyes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
Kids, while Noah and Olivia showed us how to do a birthday hat, I wrapped my present here for them. I guess it's time to go to the birthday party.
Surprise! Happy birthday, kids!
Yay!
We're celebrating a birthday party just for you!
Yeah, this is amazing. You guys have this so amazing party set up. Wow.
Yeah!
Yeah.
We got a boys bag right over here because it's all blue and has a squid on there.
Yeah.
And we have a girls bag over there for all of our girls.
Yeah, it's got the unicorn, and I bet there's some really cool presents that you guys are gonna get. Yeah, for your birthdays.
Whatever you want, right?
Yeah, and look at this really cool birthday hat.
That's our birthday hat
Wow.
too. I think our last thing that we can do for the kids.
Yeah.
Guess what I have?
I don't know what that is. What is it?
It's a high five popper. Give me a high five.
Popper?
Well, I
should we move
put-
the hat?
Yeah, I'll move the hat. I'll move the hat to this side.
Perfect. And let's do
High five!
high five.
Yay! Happy birthday!
Wow, that was awesome.
That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
So now we've done that.
Can you do my popper?
Yeah.
Here, let's do this one.
Okay, I'll hold it.
Point it towards the kids where they can see it come out.
And
1,
2, 3.
3.
Woo! Happy birthday!
Party, party, party!
Oh, let's do that again. I want to do it
Okay,
too. I
you
want to do it
You want me to hold it?
Yeah, you hold it.
1,
2,
2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear kids. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
And
on
many more.
Channel 4.
What?
Yeah, do you know that?
No,
it's
I
a
don't.
funny after the song part. So it goes, and many more on Channel 4 and Scooby-Doo on Channel 2. Yeah.
That's funny.
Yeah, it's like a funny part.
That is a funny part.
Yeah.
Okay,
Wow.
now I want to open my gifts.
Me too. And I want to do more poppers and more high five confettis.
Yeah.
Yeah. High five. Woo!
Okay,
Yeah.
here's my gift for you.
Okay, and here's my gift for you. And there's yours.
Thank you. Oh, this is
Thank
so
you.
exciting.
This is awesome.
Well, kids, we wish you all a happy birthday. We're going to open our presents
Oh, yeah,
now.
yeah. Happy birthday, kids.
Happy birthday,
have
kids.
Fun, have fun.
Have fun, have a
Bye.
great day, and have fun playing and doing whatever you want to do. And I hope you
Yeah.
get awesome gifts.
Yeah, and I hope you have a really, really, really good time and that people sing really loud to you. Okay.
Yeah.
All
Okay.
right. Bye.
Oh, Olivia, you got me some more Beyblades. So cool. Thank you
Yeah.
so very much.
Wow, and you got me a magic wand.
Kids, I hope not only will you celebrate with us Noah and Olivia's birthday, but you will have a fun birthday yourself. With, of course, lots of presents. Well, I better go and give Noah and Olivia my present here. I'll see you next time. Bye!
Birthday balloon surprise.
Oh, hold on.
Wait.
I have a surprise for you, too.
Oh, Noah, you got me one. That's
Yeah.
cool.
So what do we
wow.
do? We just...
Yep, it says just push it down on the ground and pop it.
Okay.
And mine says make a wish, so I'm going to make a wish when I pop mine.
I'm going to make a wish, too.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. You ready? Oh. I'm going to make my wish while I pop mine, I think. I wish.
Okay, I know what I want to
Okay.
wish.
Okay.
So 1,
1, 2,
2,
3. Oh. Whoa.
Oh, what's happening?
Oh, it's growing.
It's growing.
Oh, wow. That's so neat. Whoa.
Oh, do you hear the crackle?
Yeah, I wonder what that is. Yeah.
Wow.
Whoa.
It's a balloon.
It's a balloon. It's a little. Oh, it's like hard. I mean, I don't want to squeeze it too hard, but it's a little puff balloon.
Yeah, it looks like it's a happy birthday balloon.
It's still popping.
Yeah. Ah!
Oh no! Did
Mine
you pop?
exploded.
Oh, I wonder if mine's gonna explode.
Oh, now it's
Oh,
all
it's
open.
supposed to explode. Oh, I want mine to explode too. Do it. I think I have to be more patient. I hope by
Yeah.
shaking it, I didn't mess it up. Oh wow. These are neat.
You should hold it and then let it pop in your hands.
I'm kind of nervous.
Maybe nothing will happen.
I don't know.
Maybe squeeze it. Oh, I hear it moving.
Ah!
It just popped out there.
Wow, it popped a lot, huh?
Yeah, did you like that? That's
Wow,
funny. Oh my.
that was really funny. Whoa, wow. Oh,
Yeah.
kids, that was very, very exciting.
That was exciting.
That
We
was-
need to get more
wow,
of these.
yeah, we definitely need to get more of these. That was awesome. Cool. Thank you guys for coming.
Yeah, thanks for watching Dream Again. We'll
Yeah.
see you next time.
Yeah, we'll see you next time. Hope you guys have fun.
Bye.
Bye.
And happy birthday to you if it's your
Yeah.
birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, I'm going to go find the pieces of
my balloon.
Yeah, find your pieces.
Oh, that's so funny. Thank you, Noah.
Wow, that's so cool.
Hi, kids! If you like what you see on Dream Again, be sure to hit the subscribe button and like us.
Guys, look! I found it! I have a balloon too. Mine says make a wish. Yeah. And so now I'm going to make a wish. I know, I have the perfect wish. Don't tell anyone I told you, but my wish is for you guys to all have a very, very happy birthday. So, happy birthday! Bye, kids!